Hello everyone, welcome to Virtue Mentor. Today we will learn about arithmetic operation in shell script. In arithmetic, or we can also say mathematical operations, we can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment and decrement operations for any integer values. So, let's start practical. First we will create a script arithmetic.sh. In this, we add the shebang value slash bin slash bash. We need at least two values. Let's declare two variables and store the values in it. Let's a is equals to 10 and b is equals to 5. Let's print these values using the echo value of a colon dollar a echo value of b colon dollar b. So, to perform addition, we use a plus sign operator. In addition, two numbers get added. For example, we have a variables just we have defined a which have the value 10 and the b have 5. So here we create one more variable called add and store the addition in it. So I'll also add some comment. Add here, add variable is equals to dollar into bracket a plus b. Okay. And let's print this addition using the echo addition of dollar a and dollar b colon dollar add. Okay, so this is about the addition. We also do the subtractions over here. Same for the subtractions, we create a variable sub. Okay, I add the comments over here. So sub is equals to dollar brackets a minus b brackets close, and let's print this value using the echo subtraction of dollar a and dollar b colon dollar sub. Now we do multiplication. For that we create a variable mul. Okay, mul is equals to dollar brackets a into, for that multiplication we use a star star characters a into b bracket close. Let's print these values as well using the echo multiplication of dollar a and dollar b colon dollar mul. For division, we create a div variable div is equals to dollar brackets a slash b dollar close, and we also print this value echo division of dollar a and dollar b colon dollar div. Now we do modulus. In modulus, we get a remainder of division like mod here mod is equals to dollar brackets a mod b dollar complete. In this we get the 0 because when we do division of 10 divided by 5, 10 is fully divisible by 5. Let's print the value echo modulus of $A and $B colon $mod. For more understanding, we take another values, which is C is equals to 10 and D is equals to 3. Now do the mod of C and D. So here we'll take the another mod 1 as a variable, and we do the same model dollar brackets A mod B and bracket close. Let's print this value as well, echo modulus of $C and $D colon $mod 1. So here we will get 1, as when we divide 10 by 3, 10 is not fully divisible by 3, but the nearest number of 10 is 9, and which is fully divisible by 3. Hence, we will get remainder 1, as 10 minus 9 is 1. Now we see increment. In this value we get add by 1. To do this, we have to use 2 times plus sign operator. Like, see, increment. We just have to add brackets plus plus a. In this, our values is getting added by 1 and it's stored into the same variable. So now we now the value of increased by 1, and which is 11. Let's print this echo increment of A colon $A. Same like decrement. Decrement subtracts values by 1, and here we use the minus sign operator. Decrement. Then say here into brackets minus minus B brackets close. We print the values decrement of B colon $B, and we save these values. Okay, let's execute this script. I just saved and exit, and now I am executing this arithmetic operations. So here we have the all values of A, which we have stored in the first 10, and for the B 5. The addition we will get the 15, the subtraction we will get the 5, that is A minus 5 is equal to 5. The multiplication we have get the 50, and the division we have get 2. Like this, increment of A and decrement of 5 is 4. We have get the modulus of 10 by 3 is, it is not correct value. Let's see the script what we have. So mod 1. So in this echo modulus of C and D, because we have taken values A and B only, so we need to replace this value with C and D. So now we'll save this and we'll see the result again. So here is the result, which is a mod A. This is all about arithmetic operation in Bash script. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to Virtumentor, and comment for any suggestions. Thank you.